You can manifest whatever you want with bay leaf. Just write your intention 7 times and you'll be shocked with the result. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you simple manifestation technique that you can use to manifest whatever you desire in this period and in the new year. Bay leaf has been noted to attract goodness, money, and good things to you. Bay leaf is very popular in manifestation. It's very popular with spiritualists because we can use it in different ways. And if you don't know what bay leaf is just the condiment that you use in our kitchens, that you use in cooking. You use it in cooking for teas and for rest. It has so many benefits, both medicinal and spiritual. But using it to attract money or manifestation is one of the best uses of bay leaf in spirituality. Now, what are we going to be doing? Just get bay leaf, and in the first instance, you need 7 leaves. 7 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need 7 leaves. Then you get something that you can write with. You can get a pen like this. You can get a marker. If you have a barrel, then you can get. It can be green pen. It can be black. But don't use red because we are trying to manifest money. And normally green is the color of money. But if you don't have green, then you can use black. Now, what are you going to be doing? I told you in the beginning that it's going to be manifestation. Want to manifest with bay leaf. And bay leaf has been known to work. It works every time. Any time that I use bay leaf, it works. I've used it severally, and other people have used it, and there is no time bay leaf doesn't work. Bay leaf work every time, but you must follow instructions. You have to know what you are doing. If you have used bay leaf manifestation before and you think it's not working, it's not bay leaf that has problem. It might be because you are not following instruction. You did not do it right, or you miss out something. Now, let's get into it. When you get the bay leaf, and like I said, you are going to get 7 leaves. 7 leaves. So if you get the bay leaf, then each of the leaf, you are going to be writing your intention on the leaf. You are going to be writing your intention on each of the leaf. For instance, if it is money you desire, a particular amount, you have to be specific now. If you want $10,000, then you have to state it. If you want $20,000, if you want $2,000, $5,000, you have to state it. It's not compulsory that you use dollars. You can use your local denomination. You can use naira if you are in Nigeria. You can use peso. You can use whatever the currency of your country is. But I prefer to write in dollar because I like manifesting dollars. And most of my subscribers are from the US, and most of them spend dollars. So all you need to do is you just write on the leaf, "Thank you, God, for blessing me with $5,000. Thank you, God, for blessing me with $20,000. Thank you, God, for blessing me with 2,000." It depends on the amount, your intention. If it is health that you want, thank you, God, for blessing me with good health in 2024. Thank you, God, for blessing me with a new job. Thank you, God, for blessing me with a good partner. It depends on your intention, but I like manifesting. I like using bay leaf for manifesting money because it's very catchy in manifesting money. It works a lot because it attracts money. It's a symbol. Bay leaf is a symbol of money. So I use bay leaf to attract money. So you can use it to attract money or other things, but specifically use it to attract money. So you write, thank you, God. That means you are writing as if the thing has already been given to you. That's the way to manifest. Thank you, God, for blessing me with $20,000. Thank you, God, for blessing me with $10,000. It depends on the amount you feel you want to manifest, like the amount you need to manifest. But if you are just starting, it's better to start with lower denomination. You have to be realistic because you are not doing anything diabolic. It's not magic. You are just manifesting because everything works with our subconscious mind. You are reprogramming your subconscious mind to to already see and receive the amounts that you put. So you don't put anywhere. If you put $100,000, you know yourself that you cannot realistically you cannot attract this, and it's not going to work. But if you are realistic enough that you put like $2,000, $10,000, $5,000 that you feel you can manifest, then you script it. Now you repeat that for the 7 leaves. So what you write here, you write for the second leaf, you write on the third leaf. Now, let me just say this. If, for instance, this page cannot contain everything, first of all, you get something, a leaf that is fairly big and that is whole, no blemish, it is not cut, there is no hole. Very, very clean and no blemish and fairly big. So if you write, thank you God for blessing me with, if it does not contain, you can turn the back and write the remaining, like the amount. You can write it. But make sure one leaf will have that intention. Then you take the second leaf and you write the intention. Like, this is my home. If you can see it. Thank you, God, for blessing me with $5,000. That's what I've put. Sometimes I manifest more than this. But right now, this is what I want to manifest. And for example, I'm using this as an example. Thank you, God, for blessing me with $5,000. Thank you, God, for blessing me with 5,000. You can see the way I've scripted this. It's very simple. Thank you, God, for blessing me with, is in the affirmative manner, as if it has been given to me. I've received it already. So after scripting it, get the 7 leaves. Then you start reading one after the other. Take one. Thank you, God, for blessing me with $5,000. Take the second leaf. Thank you, God, for blessing me with $5,000. Then you do so for this, for all the leaves, 7 leaves now. Get the 7 leaves and do it that way. Hold everything in your hand. After writing, you first script. That's number one. Number two is you write. You script. Then you read it out. You read it out loud. Read it out. I'm not saying you should shout, but you read it out. Read it as if it's already happening. You read it convincingly. Thank you, God, for blessing me with $5,000. Convincingly, you read it. You read it out. Don't say you don't want anybody. Read it out. After reading like that, then you hold all the leaves together. All the 7 leaves, hold it and start visualizing. Visualize as if, start thinking of things you can do, you want to do with that money.